Simple versus advanced phrases you can use to level up English speaking. Greetings and small talk. 1. How are you? How have you been lately? 2. I'm fine. I'm doing well, thanks for asking. 3. What are you doing? What have you been up to? 4. Long time no see. It's been ages since we last met. 5. Nice to meet you. It's a pleasure to make your acquaintance. Agreeing and disagreeing. 6. I agree. I couldn't agree more. 7. I don't agree. I see things a bit differently. 8. That's right. That's absolutely spot on. 9. You're wrong. I'm not sure I see it that way. 10. Yes. Absolutely/certainly. Asking for help. 11. Help me, please. Could you give me a hand? 12. I need help. I could use some assistance. 13. Can you help? Would you mind helping me out? 14. Tell me. Could you fill me in? 15. Show me. Would you mind demonstrating that? Expressing thanks. 16. Thanks. I really appreciate it. 17. Thanks a lot. I can't thank you enough. 18. Thank you for coming. I'm grateful you could make it. 19. Thanks for your help. I truly appreciate your assistance. 20. Thanks again. Many thanks for everything. Making suggestions. 21. Let's go. How about we head out? 22. Try it. You might want to give it a shot. 23. Don't do that. I wouldn't recommend that. 24. Do it like this. This might be a better approach. 25. We should start. Perhaps we could get started. Expressing feelings. 26. I'm happy. I'm over the moon. 27. I'm sad. I'm feeling a bit down. 28. I'm tired. I'm completely drained. 29. I'm angry. I'm really frustrated. 30. I'm excited. I'm looking forward to it. Giving opinions. 31. I think, in my opinion. 32. I don't think so. I'm not entirely convinced. 33. It's good. It's quite impressive. 34. It's bad. It leaves much to be desired. 35. I like it. I'm really fond of it. Reacting to news. 36. Really? Are you serious? 37. Wow. That's incredible. 38. Oh no. That's unfortunate. 39. That's great. That's fantastic news. 40. Okay. Fair enough. Making requests. 41. Give me that. Could you pass that to me? 42. I want this. I'd like to have this. 43. Send it to me. Could you forward it to me? 44. Call me. Could you give me a call? 45. Tell me later. Fill me in when you get a chance. Time and plans. 46. I'm busy. I've got a lot on my plate. 47. I'm free. I'm available. 48. Not now. This isn't the best time. 49. Later. Let's circle back to it. 50. Right now. At this very moment.